Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking for a fast and secure internet connection, you're in the right place. Today, I have an amazing tutorial for you. I'll show you how to create a Phison server account and set it up on the Open Custom app for better speed and security. And if you're new here, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video to support the channel. Now, let's get started. First, open any web browser on your device. In the search bar, type UDP and slow DNS files tar, and select the official website from the search results. Once on the homepage, click the hamburger icon, 3 horizontal lines at the top left corner to expand the menu. From the list, select Phison server. This will open the server location page. Click on your preferred location and wait for the 10-second countdown to complete. Once the countdown is done, click Copy to copy the server details to your clipboard. Now that we have the Phison server details, let's set it up on the Open Custom app. Go to the Play Store and search for Open Custom. Select the app from the search results and tap Install. Once installed, open the app to reach the home screen. Now, let's set up the Phison server on Open Custom. On the home screen, click the radio button to open the server menu list. At the top, tap the arrowhead button to expand the server menu. From the list, select Phison Server Protocols. A new window will open. In the Protocol section, tap to expand the list and select your preferred option, or keep the default. In the Regions section, tap and choose your desired server location. Scroll down to Target Server Entry, and paste the Phison server details you copied earlier. Double-check all the settings, then tap Start at the bottom to connect your server. In just a few seconds, your Phison server will be connected, giving you a fast and secure internet experience. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.